Robot vacuums have become a household marvel, efficiently cleaning homes without human intervention. These devices utilize a combination of sensors, cameras, and mapping algorithms to navigate spaces and avoid obstacles. The primary system used is LiDAR, which helps the robot create a layout of the room by bouncing laser beams off walls and furniture. This real-time mapping ensures a thorough cleaning path while detecting untidy areas needing more attention. Moreover, infrared sensors and cliff sensors prevent accidents, such as falling down stairs, making these vacuums a perfect balance of safety and efficiency.